So this is my eco-friendly handbag shopping bag. So it is a handbag and it also doubles as a holding case for all of my shopping bags. So inside this bag, there are 8 shopping bags. There's some produce bags on either side for fruit and vegetables. And inside I have an extra pillowcase bag if I don't have enough here. But this is generally enough for a week's shopping. I go shopping weekly for a family of 4. 8 shopping bags, they're large shopping bags and they're very strong, so you can pack them really full. So if you use this handbag when you go shopping, you will never forget your shopping bags. And there will be no need to use plastic bags, which is so much better for the environment. On the inside of the bag, there are 3 pockets. It's very useful. And also a little clip to put your keys on. Nice and easy to keep your keys easy to find. Don't have to rummage around in your bag to find your keys. Just clip them on there. Now this is your pillowcase bag. So one single shopping bag that you can keep in this handbag, put it in your pocket, take with you everywhere you go. And you can make as many of those as you want. The bag has pockets on either side on the outside. And in these pockets, you've got produce bags for when you buy fruit and vegetables. And then in the base of the bag, there's a zip. And these are your shopping bags. So inside this sleeve, there are 8 shopping bags. I have a family of 4. Generally, this has been enough for our weekly shop. I shop once a week, and generally these bags have been enough. Sometimes I've used this. Occasionally, when it's been very busy, I might have taken an extra couple of bags. But generally, for a weekly shop, these 8 bags have been sufficient. So each bag is rolled up inside and opens up like this for your shopping bags. Okay, so this is your pillowcase bag made from a pillowcase. Folds to the size of your hand, so it's easy to slip in your handbag or in your pocket. Opens up like that into a nice big, strong, single shopping bag. And then it stuffs back into its own little pocket very quickly, like that, to put it back in your bag or your pocket when you're finished. These are produce bags, so for buying any fruit or vegetables. They're made from net curtains, so they're nice and light, so they don't add anything to the weight of your fruit and vegetables. And they have a simple drawstring, which you can tie to stop any fruit or vegetables falling out. Okay, so these are the main shopping bags, made from an old sheet or an old doona cover, something like that. They're very strong, so especially cheap sheets and doona covers, cotton polyester, very strong. I've been using these bags for several years. They're stuffed full of bottles and cans and jars every week and haven't had any problems with them. They're nice and strong. So you get 8 bags, will fit inside this little sleeve, which goes inside the bottom of your handbag. Okay, to fit the bags inside the sleeve, you fold them and roll them and push them down the bottom like that. So, like I said, 8 will fit in. Don't have to roll them so perfectly. And then there's a little button to secure them at the top. So that's 8 shopping bags that will all fit inside the base of your handbag. So the little zipped pocket at the bottom, and push this in, fits nice and snugly. And zip it closed inside your handbag. So we can put the pillowcase bag in the inside and the produce bags in the side pockets on the outside of the bag. And there we go, all ready to go shopping. All my bags with me, so I don't need to buy any plastic bags at all. Do you need to be an amazing sewer to make this bag? No. I've made the tutorials as simple and as clear as possible with lots of photos, and I think anyone with basic sewing knowledge can have a go at making this bag and all the bags that go inside it. In terms of how much it costs to make this bag, most of the cost is in your time. So it is quite time consuming to make all of the bags and the handbag, but in terms of buying materials, I used an old pair of jeans, which you might have or you could pick up from a charity shop. I used scrap fabric, or you could use old curtains or bedding, net curtains for the produce bags, and bedding for the main shopping bags and the pillowcase bag, old sheets or old duvet covers. So the actual monetary cost of making this bag is very little. You may need to buy zips, or you may have zips already if you are a sewer, or you might be able to salvage them from old bags or clothes. But the cost of a few zips and perhaps a clip for the inside of your bag or some rings for the handles. Again, I salvage them from old bags, things that have broken over the years, and I've kept the good bits. But really, use what you've got, use your own time that doesn't cost anything, and make your own eco-friendly handbag shopping bags. Never forget your shopping bags again. So the ebook, which contains all the instructions, tutorials, and patterns for all of these bags, including the handbag itself, is now available for free download on my website. The website is called Creating My Way to Success, so you can just Google that, or it's www.jembellish.blogspot.com. I'll put the links here and below the video. If you have any problems, leave me a message. Should be easy to download, and then you can print off the patterns, read the instructions, and make yourself your own eco-friendly handbag shopping bag. Happy sewing! Thanks for watching this video. If you do download the ebook and have a try of making the bag, then leave me a comment. I'd love to hear how you went. If you have any questions or run into any problems, send me a message and I'll always try and help. I've tried to make it as clear as possible for people with even the most basic of sewing knowledge. So good luck, happy sewing. On the website, Creating My Way to Success, there are more than 150 free sewing tutorials for making all kinds of things. So do have a look around. They're all free to download. Have fun, learn to sew, make some things, use what you've got. Don't go and buy things, you can make it. I also have other sewing tutorials here on my YouTube channel, and also other things to learn. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you like sewing or like learning, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.